In this video, I will be showing you how to use incognito mode on DuckDuckGo browser. So let's get started. For this, to the rightmost top, we'll be having the three lines icon. Select it, and here we are having new fire window. This is DuckDuckGo's version of having incognito mode. So just select this, and here we'll be getting a new tab opened. The only difference is here we are having new fire tab rather than new tab, and to the rightmost top we'll be having the close icon with a fire background. As it clearly says here, right, in the fire window we can browse without saving local history, and fire windows are isolated from the rest of the browser data and their data is burned when you close them. So it really has features similar to the incognito mode. Now, for example, let me just go here and search something, and if I now close, the data gets cleared, and if I go to the history of normal tab, we won't be having that. So that's basically it, guys. Do check the playlist of my channel. Done a lot of videos in programming and AI tools. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.